Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 170PS 320 Limited Automatic Factory Crew Cab Wet Belt. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 117,127. MOT, the 28th of June 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 170 PSA. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, the wet cam belt had sheared its teeth, garage stripped the engine and customer decided not to repair and bought a brand new one. All the parts are there, it just wants to be repaired grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, reversing camera, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £15,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,